Now we are in the royal area. So if you book a royal room, you'll have access to this lounge as well as this a la carte restaurant. It serves a la carte breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now that is guaranteed. You could eat a la carte dinner there every single night when you book a royal level room. So let's check out a royal level luxury room. This is 2022. You can see as you head in, you have your table and chairs, your king size bed, night stables on either side, as well as your television, your coffee maker, your bottled water. Inside your mini fridge, you're going to find your sodas, beer, and water. And then heading into the huge bathroom. So you have a large sink area, hair dryer, a stand-up shower, as well as a bathtub with jets, a jetted bathtub. In your closet, you'll be able to find your robe and slippers, as well as your umbrella and safe. You also have a small balcony with 2 chairs and a table, and then this is that lush view you're going to have. All of the rooms have this view. If you enjoyed this video, here's a couple more I think you might like.